You are looking at the ultimate high ground. For 60 years, satellites were just mirrors. They reflected signals from point A to point B. They were dumb pipes. But that era ended on April 14th, 2025. On that day, an AI model developed by Microsoft Azure wasn't just beaming data, it was processing it, live, inside a satellite orbiting at 17,000 miles per hour. This is the new arms race, Orbital Edge Computing. The goal is simple and terrifying. Instead of sending data down to Earth to be processed by a human, the satellite makes the decision itself. Google calls their version Project Suncatcher, a distributed data center in the sky. SpaceX calls their military version Starshield. The National Reconnaissance Office recently awarded a $1.8 billion contract for this system. The director of the NRO was very clear about why. He said it reduces the time to lethality from minutes to seconds. Think about that phrase, time to lethality. To achieve that speed, you have to remove the slowest part of the kill chain, the human. We are already seeing this autonomy in action. Right now, the Starlink constellation is dodging space junk entirely on its own. In just 6 months during 2025, these satellites executed 149,000 collision avoidance maneuvers. They did not ask for permission. They did not wait for a pilot. They saw a threat and they moved. SpaceX explicitly told the FCC that these systems plan avoidance maneuvers without human input. But here is the problem with autonomous systems. They hallucinate. In 2019, a software bug prevented SpaceX from receiving a collision warning from the European Space Agency. In 2024, the US Space Force data feed went down 3 separate times. When these glitches happen on Earth, we reboot the server. We pull the plug. But how do you reboot a server that is flying 400 kilometers above your head? Legal experts call this de facto orbit occupation. If a mega constellation decides to occupy a specific orbital shell, no regulator can physically stop it. We are building a nervous system around our planet. It is faster than us. It is smarter than us. And for the first time in history, it is completely out of our reach. Welcome to the Orbital AI.